Hey, it's been a while since we've had our last Choose This episode. But let's try something different this week.
Sige, go. What do you have in mind?
How about I'm gonna make you choose?
I will always choose you.
We'll find out about that later. We'll find out about that later.
Sana ikaw na lang lagi.
Sana nga.
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna make you choose between all these guys who I think you might have a type, like your crushes, na basketball player.
Okay, ano yung criteria mo for choosing these guys?
Well, based on what I think yung mga type mong basketball
and you
player.
know me well.
Oh,
you know me
inside
out.
And I just want to know. And then I think maybe you can ask me about some basketball players I'd like on my team.
Alright, okay, I like this. Sige, who first?
Kailangan snap I mean, not
okay, sige, yung kasi instant,
mga 5 seconds naman.
Wag, that's too much.
Okay, game, okay.
Ikaw,
you start.
5 seconds is too short for you. Sige, PBA lang tayo sa'yo.
Oh, sige.
Okay? Who would you rather have on your team? Gary David or Jeff Chan?
But
no!
Gary David.
Answer! Gary David. Oh, now you have... Why? May galit ka ba kay Jeff Chan?
Kasi I was thinking at Gary David's peak or...
Basta!
Are we talking about now?
Jeff Chan. Gary David. Okay.
Bias. Power.
Next.
Okay, next.
Paulie Jason Castro.
Paulie.
Wow, ang bilis! Wow, you didn't even have to think about that. Greg Slaughter, Junmar Fardo.
Junmar.
May galit ka sa Ginebra?
MVP.
Galing. Lahat may lusot. Parang tinanong kita nasa kakagabi, may lusot ka agad. Doug Kramer, Bo Belga.
Bo Belga.
Okay, moving on. May galit ka kay Doug?
Di nagpaparamdam si Doug Wala na yung steak ko
Okay, how about PJ Simon, Joseph Yo? 5.
PJ Simon.
Wow. Racist ka ba? Ay, in-check pala siya. Okay. Okay, ito. Last na. Okay? Calvin Abueva, Mark Pingris. 5.
Pingris.
Ooh. Good choice.
Championships.
Good choice. Pero pa? James Yap, Mark Kagiwa.
That's tough,
Wow.
James
Tito
Yap.
Miko suggestion is a winner. Go.
Bawal yun Bawal ang phone a friend?
Hindi. Go lang. Ninong natin yan sa kasal.
Okay. James
Bibigyan
Yap.
tayo magandang regalo. James Yap. Yung galit talaga sa Ginebra.
MVPs. Final MVPs. More championships.
So, okay. Dying seconds. They're in the same team. You'll give the ball to James Yap. Okay. Alright.
Okay. Your turn.
Okay,
Your
my
turn. Start,
Should always be my turn.
Okay. Start with the lightweights first.
Okay.
JJ Redick versus Kyle Korver. Who do you like?
Alright. Munti ko magmura. Kyle Korver.
How about Kyle Korver or...
Wait, no.
Oh, grabe ka lang.
Touch move ba? Touch move? Fine. Okay, fine. Kyle Korver.
Okay. Kyle Korver or Wally Zerbiak?
Oh, Wally Zerbiak because he follows me on Twitter.
Oh my God. Sedos ako Steph Curry or Chandler Parsons?
This is so hard.
That's a tough match.
Sobrang hirap nito. Hindi ko kaya. As in, kunyari nakahubad sila sa harap ko. Sorry, naka-boxers sila pareho sa harap ko. Sinong una kong pipicturean?
I'm not trying to imagine, but...
Oh my God, this is so hard. Forever debate ko to in my head Kasi mangyayari siya One day, they will both be naked in front of me. Exactly, with a choice, di ba? Steph Curry.
Okay.
It's in the blood.
How about, I think
half lang.
feeling ko peg mo si Cephalosha.
He's so cute. Super guapo.
Him or Jeremy Lin?
He makes me love rhinos. You know that commercial of with rhinos? And Al Horford. Him or?
Jeremy Lin.
Asian? Doon tayo kay Tabo.
Okay. How about...
Mas liligaya tayo kay Tabo, guys.
How about Tyson Chandler or Alonzo Mourning?
Ay, hindi lang ako lumabas. Balibag factor. Tyson Chandler is my stallion.
Okay.
He's my stallion. Did you see his ESPN body issue cover?
No, obviously not.
Is Charles your stallion?
Charles is my stallion.
Oh, Xavier stallion.
So, Chandler ka.
Chandler.
Eh, medyo na naman tayo. Chandler or Jason Webb?
Wow! Uy, Kung stepladder
Ay,
format,
5'5",
kinalawak na si
4,
Jason Webb.
3,
Chandler Parsons. Ay, Tyson Chandler.
Tyson Chandler.
Hindi ako magpapabalibag kay Jason Webb.
Okay, MCW or Al Horford?
God, iba eh. Al Horford, lalaking lalaki. MCW,
5,
parang
4,
pag-aaralin mo pa.
3.
MCW tayo.
We're in our playoffs format.
Okay,
Playoff
sige.
format na tayo. Steph Curry or Wally Zerbiak?
Oh, no! No, this is too hard. Steph Curry or Wally Zerbiak?
4,
I love
3,
that Wolves team.
2.
Okay, sentimental. Wally tayo.
Okay.
Wally.
Wally or MCW?
Guys, why must you do this to me? This is torture.
The
Wally
images in
Zerbiak
your-
pa rin tayo. Wally Zerbiak.
Wally Zerbiak or
Oh my
Tyson
God.
Chandler?
Hoy! Ano ba to?
5.
Pinapawisan si Tito.
Yung mga images niya siguro sa...
Grabe, saya. Tyson Chandler.
Wow.
Tyson Chandler.
Okay na, championship
Nice,
round.
pinapawisan
Championship
na.
round.
Okay, go.
Tyson Chandler or Jason Kidd?
No! Jason Kidd forever.
Paano pag ako or Jason Kidd?
Yan! Yun!
Jason Kidd.
Umasa pa ako, so wala lang din pala. Ayoko na.
Masyado ba akong pa-fall?
Ayoko na.
Kung meron kayong choices for us as well, I mean, this is always a fun thing. We literally chose for Choosy Chooses. Send your questions in, please, over Twitter. And we're also looking for people who are looking for love advice. Just send in your letters, your love problems at @upper_B on Twitter and Buhay Basket on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Hina ako. Yung